everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 11.4, page number 226, question number 10. In the following figure, find the area of the shaded portion. So we have to find the area of the shaded portion. Start with the first one. In the first figure, this is the shaded area we are having. We have to find the area of this one. So we'll start. First one, we are going to find the area of the triangle AEF. This is the triangle AEF. So I'm going to write here area of triangle AEF. So formula is half into base into height. So half into base we are having this one 6 centimeter and the height we are having 10 centimeter. So we're going to solve it. 30 centimeter square is the area of the triangle AEF. Now we'll find the area of triangle EBC. This is the EBC. Now in this one, the formula will be half into base into height. So half multiplied by base we are having 8 and the height we are having 10. So 40 centimeter square is the area of the triangle EBC. Now we are going to find the area of rectangle ABC. This is the ABCD. So area of rectangle ABCD. This will be L into B. So the length we are having 18 centimeter and the breadth we are having 10 centimeter. So the area is 180 centimeter square. Now we are going to write here area of EFDC. We need to find out the area of EFDC. This one. For this one, area of rectangle ABCD minus area of triangle AEF and triangle EBC. So we are going to subtract this triangle and this triangle from the rectangle, then we will have this one shaded area. So the area of rectangle is 180 centimeter square minus the area of triangle AEF is 30 centimeter plus EBC is 40 centimeter square. So we are going to solve it. 180 centimeter square minus 30 plus 40 is 70 centimeter square. So we will subtract it, then this is 110 centimeter square. So the area of EFDC is 110 centimeter square. This is the part 1. Now comes to part 2nd. Now in the part 2nd, this is the shaded area which we need to find out. So first of all, we are going to find the area of triangle STU. STU, this one. So the formula will be half into base into height. So half multiplied by base is 10 and the height is also 10. 2 5s are 10. So this one is 50 centimeter square. Now we are going to find the area of triangle TPQ. This is the TPQ. Now in this one, the formula will be half into base into height. So half the base we have PT, this one is 10 centimeter and the height we are having as this one PQ as 20 centimeter. So this one is 100 centimeter square. Now we'll find the area of triangle QRU. So the formula will be same, half into base into height, half into the base. This time we are having 10 centimeter. This one, and the height we are having 20 centimeter. So 2 5s are 10, 100 centimeter square. Now we'll find out the area of the square. So I'm going to write here, area of square is equal to side square. So the side we have 20 centimeter. So the area is 400 centimeter square. So we're going to write here, we have to find the area of triangle QTU. For this one, area of square minus area of triangle STU plus triangle TPQ plus triangle QRU. So the area square we have 400 centimeter square minus the area of triangle STU. This one is 50 centimeter square. This one is 100 centimeter square plus this one is 100 centimeter square. So now we're going to add this one. This is 250 centimeter square. So 400 minus 250, 400 centimeter square minus 250 centimeter square, we have 150 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle QTU. This is the part second. With this one we have completed the question number 10. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 11.